Let's review editing layouts. We have 4 different types of items that we can use inside of our layout: text, images, backgrounds, and shapes. Text we walked through on the text editing video, but you do have an ability to add different text blocks, adding a header, a subheading, additional lines of text, or even bullet points to your layout as well. You'll notice when you get into most of those layouts, they do have text already, but if you want to add additional text, this is how you can do it. You also have shapes. Shapes, much like this one right here, this is a rectangle shape, can be filled. You can add strokes or outlines to them, and you can push them up or down inside of the layout. I notice this one is behind my image, so I can bring it a little bit forward if I want to. Oh, but then I'm losing my text, so I'm going to go ahead and push it back again. So what I might do instead would be take my image and then go ahead and push that to the background instead. There I go. Within the image, I can change my fill color. I can make it darker. You'll notice that the site's already populated with your brand colors that we've chosen. Some of you may have some darker colors, as when yellow gets pretty dark, we don't like it to turn to brown. Or you can switch it over to your accent colors if you prefer that palette instead. Within the shapes, you can add lots of different default shapes to the system already. You'll notice there's plenty of shapes inside of here, including additional icons. If I want to bring a shape over, all I need to do is click on it, and it's added to the middle of the screen. From here, I can adjust my fill color. Let's give this a poppy yellow. And I can change the size of it. You'll notice if you grab the corners of the object object will change proportionately. But if you grab the sides, it will allow you to distort the object a bit. Now I can take my object, resize it, and stick it in the location I want it to be. If I need to push it behind that text, I can use the Arrange tools. I can move text around. I can make things smaller to fit where I want them to go. I can also add additional images to the site too. You'll have images stored within your brand photos. These include the backgrounds that we made for you or the ones you supplied. Unsplash is a photo library, and you'll find tons of photos available here. You'll also notice your logos are pre-populated in here. If you want to go ahead and add your logo to this as well, then you can click on it and bring it over to your layout, resize it, and stick it into whatever position you want. There are lots of other tools in here, but these are the basics. And if you do find that you don't like the layout that you've made, you can always use the undo tool to get back to the start. All the way back.